Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, A Visit to the Doctors, we will be covering the section of writing, in which we will learn about analogy and prefixes and suffixes. So, open up page number 35 and let's get started. To learn about the given topic, let's look at the given picture and see what it is about. Optician is to eye as dentist is to teeth. Doctor is to hospital as teacher is to school. Finger is to hand as toe is to foot. Now let's look at the second picture and read the words. Incorrect, incomplete, impossible, impolite, dislike, disagree, quickly, quietly, eating, crying, played, and jumped. Now you saw that in the first picture, an analogy is used to compare two things because they have something in common. In the first sentence, dentist is to teeth explains the relationship between a dentist and teeth. Next, coming to the next picture that we saw, if the prefix is removed from the beginning of a word, the meaning will change. For example, incorrect will become correct, impolite will change to polite, and dislike will change to like. And a suffix can change a word in many ways. Adding ly to the end of the word shows how an action is being done. Adding ing to the end of a word shows what is being done. And adding ed to the end of the word shows what action has been done. Now let's do an activity. Make words with the suffix ly and prefix in on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. For example, I have written down the words suddenly with the suffix ly and insufficient for the prefix in. Similarly, make at least 5 words for each.